you. To former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Robin Padilla, Mr. Philip Salvador, Attorney J.B. Hinlo, Senator Bato de la Rosa, Attorney Bobet Torreon, Representative of Pastor Quiboloy, Secretary Cusi, Vice Chair of PDP, Mayor Mike Rama, good evening. Yung mga wala dito sa papel, good evening din sa inyo lahat. Sila lang yung nakasulat, sila yung ginatawag na mga dagkong tae, kaya sila lang yung nandito. But anyway, at this crucial juncture, magsisimula na yung campaign. Malapit na. So, kailangan talaga, mga kapatid ko dito sa PDP, yung participation nyo during the campaign. Medyo challenging. It is an uphill battle. We are against the resources of an entire nation. Medyo nakikita natin, pag naiisip natin, medyo feeling natin kung kaya ba, hindi. Magdadalawang isip ka. Pero I do believe that or having or creating a country that embodies our ideals and aspirations does not come that easy. Kaya nga, may mga taong binibigay yung buhay nila. Tulad ni Rizal, sila Bonifacio, mga sundalo na nakipaghimagsikan sa mga bukid, laban ng insurgency, mga pulis na binigay ang kanilang buhay para tayo ay mabuhay ng mapayapa at maunlad. So, yun na nga, hindi madali talaga kung gusto natin ng bansa na pinapanaginip natin na makamit. Ang tanong ngayon, kasi magsisimula na yung kampanya, kung sila nga, Rizal, yung mga sundalo natin na paslang, mga polis, how much can you give to our country during this election? Kasi matagal na tayong pinapahirapan talaga. I know because I am the local elected official of this city. I am the mayor. And as far as I can see, and sa mga obserbasyon ko, this administration has been very oppressive. Kaayo yun. So, think of it this way. Lahat ng mga kandidato natin dito under the PDP and our guest candidates will be a vote against an administration that has done nothing but to fool and oppress this country and its people. Pero yun na nga, medyo mahirap lang, or as we see it, and again, I will reiterate, because we are up against the resources of an entire country. And seeing how centralized government is working now, medyo problema yan. But, kung maalala nyo, 2016, where was Rodrigo Duterte in the surveys? Nasa pinakababa. He was least expected na manalo for the presidency. But because the Filipino people believed in him, believe that we can make our country great, and dahil sa tulong o sa kagustuhan ng mga ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino, Nakapaglagay tayo ng presidente that embodied yung ideals and aspirations ng bawat Pilipino. So, naniniwala ba kayo na kakayanin natin to? Di, okay na. Para saan yang laban sa PDP? Laban pag hindi tayo lumaban. Tayo ay lalaban talaga. Mabuhay si Pastor Kibuloy. Mabuhay si Atty. Hinlo. Mabuhay si Congressman Marcoleta. Mabuhay si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Mabuhay si Senator Bongo. Mabuhay si Atty. Lambino. Mabuhay si Epe Salvador. Mabuhay si Atty. Bondok. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat at salamat. Thank you.